How you guys can fix your Facebook page invite friend option not working. So if you're on your Facebook page and you're trying to invite your friends on an event and you're just not able to invite them, then there's two reasons. One could be that the Facebook page which you are in is a private Facebook page and you're not the admin of the page. If you have a private page and you're not the admin, then you cannot invite anybody. So if you have a private page and you're admin of that page, then you can invite your friend. But let's say the Facebook page you're in, or like the Facebook page which you own, is a public page, but still, even being a public page, you're not able to invite your friend. Now, the reason could be that you can only invite 50 people. So let's say I'm on an event on a Facebook page I'm a member in. There's an event, but I've already invited 50 people. That means I cannot invite more than that. And that is the reason why I'm not able to invite more friends. Or it could be that the event which you're in has like a limited number of people it can invite. Let's say I'm on an event which has 100 people max, and that 100 people max has already been filled. Then that could also be the reason why I'm not able to invite other people. But let's say like you are facing this problem, what you can easily do is just delete your Facebook app and reinstall it again. Sometimes a bug causes the problem, so by deleting and reinstalling your Facebook app, your problem should be fixed if you're not getting the option to share the Facebook page to your friend or invite them to your page. That's how you guys can fix this issue simply, and I have also told you the reason why you're facing this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.